includes 2 classification round matches and this play-in. So it's the team who has the better blocking that usually wins the match.
Kasi
So-
kumbaga yun na yung unang point talaga kapag meron kang blockings. Talagang ikaw na yung unang point talaga eh.
So naging non-existent yung blocking ng San Sebastian doon sa set number 2. Hindi pa nagmimintis sa running attack si KJ ah.
Yes. Wala pa siyang error sa attacks nila. So talagang dapat mas maraming Dionisio attacks this set.
3 out of 3. Oh! Sophie Ramos gets that one in. This is Zarina Ramos.
I think there will be a challenge here.
Ladies and gentlemen, a referee's challenge is being requested. Once again, a referee's challenge for block touch is being requested.
Tatawanan yung ating mga coaches.
Ano ang i-challenge dito?
Yeah, you have to be specific with your challenge.
Yeah, it's a referee's challenge.
Oh! So sobrang bilis, sinigurado ng referee.
Tinawanan na lang siya ni Coach Roger. Mali, nalito na si Ref. Tinuro siya ni Coach. Wait lang. Okay, kalma lang tayo guys.
So a light moment to start this third set. A good start for San Sebastian. Mukhang nagising na sila sa realidad. That, you know, this could be the last match for them. Kung matatalo sila dito, they have to go all out, Ramos. Santos.
Yes, for Santos.
Zone 6.
3 straight points from San Sebastian this time. Grabe, parang talagang laro na, nilalaro pa talaga tayo nitong dalawang to, no? Hindi natin alam eh. Tama nga yung sinabi ni Direk. Direk, di ko alam kung swerte ako or ewan ko na lang talaga.
So this season, ang reputation mo ba, ganon? Yung long matches?
Oh, yeah. Kasi wala pa akong ano, oo, tama, wala
Wala
pa
kang
akong...
straight?
Wala. Diba, nung una natin coverage, hindi naman straight sets yun.
Ang naalala ko sa una nating coverage, yung joke ni Coach Kung Fu eh.
Oh, diba? Ilang set yun? Parang 4 sets yata yun eh.
Nagka-time.
Wala pa akong straight set. And yes, the blocking is still there.
On the serve deck, 4-1.
And not that we want a straight sets match.
Yes.
I mean, you know, we don't control what happens
Yes.
in the game. Nagkakataon lang po na minsan may analyst na binabansagang 5-set queen or king.
Nabansagan na ako nung nakaraan. So, ewan ko lang po ngayon.
Ramos. Marasigan.
Oh, yes, for Marasigan. Nakita niya single block siya doon ni Ramos, pero... Yes.
Pag maganda, pahingahin mo muna siya, bigyan mo si Yongko. Activate mo si Yongko. Yongko, paluin mo long lang tayo. Iwas sa blocks, okay? Tapos pumasok ka lang ng pumasok, okay? Girls, one good reception. Hinga tayo, one good reception. Puntos tayo. Ikot-ikot, okay? Let's go! Para, isa-isa.
Tandaan tayo, ta. Where's yung blockings?
Mahihimatay na.
Ate, Jose.
Yan, diba?
It's really really important to have a good reception, especially on this set. Dahil very crucial ang reception talaga. Actually, sinasabi na nga kanina yun ni Coach Roger, di ba? If wala kayong magiging magandang reception, wala kayong maipapakitang atake.
Ramos stops the bleeding.
Ramos challenging Junicio there. Na-disappoint si Junicio doon kasi nandun na siya eh.
Running attack na naman para kay KJ. 4 out of 4.
Yes, another successful running attack for Junicio.
Wala pang mintis.
Wala.
It's a perfect record for KJ Junicio.
Very consistent. Mapahina o mapalakas talagang puntos.
6-32.
Good serve.
Navarra.
Long ball attack there.
Nagulat si Katel.
Oo,
Dum-
hindi niya
dum-
alam eh.
Dumaan sa kanilang dalawa eh.
And also, isa lang yung blocker ng San Sebastian. That's why. Nakita niya talaga na walang blockers dun sa side na yun.
Marasigan picked up by Junicio. She was ready.
Whoa!
Gonzalez getting that one through.
Gonzalez.
JMG. OMG. 7-3 in favor of San Sebastian. Oh, yun lang. Ang tulis.
Hindi talaga minsan na maiiwasan yun eh. Especially pag ikaw na talaga yung pumupuntos no, sa harapan. And then nasa service line ka na, nandun na din talaga lahat yung pagod, yung pressure. And another error for JRU naman.
Nagbigay attack ng service error. So San Sebastian, a better start for them, the best start for them here in this play-in match. And when we come back, makikibalita muna tayo kay Bianca Tagarda.
Mga kapuso, we're building greatness here at the NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament dito sa San Andres Sports Complex. Bakit parang ayaw niyong manalo? That's what Coach Roger Goroyev continues to tell the girls before this set, hoping na ito yung maging eye-opener nila. Dagdag pa ni Coach Roger, wala silang reception. Not even a good first ball para mas maayos ang kanilang plays in the previous set. But amidst the chaos, the seniors are now coming back to the court after being sidelined on the bench for half of the previous set with the hopes na aware na sila sa mga adjustments needed. Adding on to that, team captain J.M. Balahaja also stated that they wish to not add any more disappointment to Coach Roger following their performances in the previous games. Anton and Carly?
Yeah, si Coach Roger is the type of coach na hindi sanay matalo eh. But, you know, these past couple of years have been very tough and trying for Coach Roger. And you can feel it when you speak to him. Even he seems to not understand why this is the case for San Sebastian. But who knows when that will change.
Talagang magugustuhan mo din yung strategy niya. No? Talagang pinapakita niya dun sa mga seniors yung magiging setup na nila kapag ka talagang nag-graduate na talaga yung mga graduating players talaga nila. Which is good din naman, di ba? Pero yun nga, kaso hinahanap niya talaga since first set yung reception nila. So hanggang ngayon, nahihirapan pa rin sila.
Deala. Sinabayan ng mga blockers. Deala, one more time.
Oh! Too short.
Ganda sana nun.
Kanina niya pa yun tinatry gawin, actually.
Nag-adjust.
Good thing lang din kasi alam niyang marami siyang variations na pwedeng gawin. Good
Navarra.
pass.
Lazarte. Santos goes up. Deyala. Marasigan.
Marasigan on that corner. And no blockers. Hindi na din nila siguro in-expect na talagang papalutin nila ni Marasigan.
11-5.
Oh,
An ace.
service ace for Gonzalez.
And now Coach Mia Tioseco calls a timeout.
Yung movements natin, kung nandun kayo, kuha natin yung bola. Except that, nanonood na lang. Hindi kayo pwede, hindi kayo lalapitan ng bola. Kakaintindihan, puntahan natin yung bola. Gawin natin yung pattern natin. Sa pattern natin, may tao dun. Okay? Tara, tsagain natin, isa-isa.
So this is the first set wherein talagang kailangan na maghabol ng JRU. It's a turnaround from the first two sets where it was San Sebastian who went down big.
Because we know na kapag talagang nagkaroon ng confidence tong San Sebastian, talagang tuloy-tuloy yung magiging magandang performance nila. But Deyala said, no, hahabulin namin to.
Oo, kailangan din nila ipakita na kaya nilang maghabol. Dahil napatunayan yon.
Nung second set.
Yep.
Oh, down the line by Santos. Nararamdaman mo na yung gigil eh.
The real Kat Santos. That's what San Sebastian needs right now. The Rookie of the Year best scorer, Kat Santos. Ramos.
It's Ramos again for JRU.
Ramos with a blockbuster spike.
Ang hirap kasing depensahan nung kanya. Nahihirapan ka kasi talagang harapan ng blockers, bumabagsak yung bola niya.
Junicio. Balik ang bola sa San Sebastian. Gonzalez, picked up by Alonia. Navarra, tossing it up to Ramos. Navarra. Ramos.
See, another one from Ramos. Mahirap
15.
talaga.
Talsik na naman yung mga blockers kay Ramos. 15 points for the number 3 scorer in the NCAA.
15 points.
Back to start the play.
Santos down the line na naman.
Wow, ang lakas nun.
Sa sobrang lakas, tumalsik sa
Tumalsik.
audience.
Wow. Hindi mo pwedeng pakawalan si Santos sa down the line. Eh, no?
Nope. Gonzalez. Oh, what a set. Ang hirap nun. Balahadya managing to set it up for Marasigan. Karabot. Ramos cross court, nobody home.
Good spot for Ramos. She's now on 16 points. Good pass. Yes.
Jonicio. Lazarte. Santos, cross court, zone 5.
It's a show between Santos and Ramos this time. Grabe.
Double, digits na rin si Kat. 10.
Grabe.
Jump serve coming up.
Good pass.
Navarra to Batara.
Oh!
Single block by KJ Dionisio. KJ Dionisio raises the roof on Kring Batara. San Sebastian leads JRU 16-9. Some former JRU Lady Bombers and the Lady Bomber who's sitting out this season. Of course, Malay Amante, Sid Niegos, who's playing so well right now in the professional ranks. And of course, Pat Del Pilar, who's sitting out this season due to an injured left foot.
Pretty Lay and Bossing Sid is in the house. Actually, kanina pa niya ako mini-message.
Ano sinasabi ni Bossing?
Sabi niya, anong sinasabi mo dyan, te? Sabi ko, wala na, chichismis kami ni Anton.
Good to see Bossing Sid na nag-player of the match.
Yes,
Kamakailan lamang.
idol. Grabe. Idol yan.
Natutuwa tayo tuwing nakita natin yung mga NCAA players doing well in the professional level.
That's true.
Tina Marasigan, 6-1.
10 points for Marasigan.
And that's a new play for them, ha? Ngayon lang natin nakita yung play na yun.
Back row attack for Ramos.
Yes, for Ramos.
That's the San Sebastian Ramos, Sophie Ramos.
Yan yung sinasabi ni Coach Roger kanina, no? Talagang pag maayos yung first ball, pag meron kayong magandang receive, ipapakita nyo talaga yung mga play.
Pampagising na spike yun, ah. Navarra, Deyala, oh,
Oh,
takas nun.
that was too close. Sayang.
9 points for Deyala in the match.
Sobrang lakas naman itong left. Coach Roger. Hindi ko dapat papansin. Lumusot. Another one from Deala.
Yan na. 10 points na rin. Double digits.
Grabe, parang kung titingnan mo sila, parang hindi sila napapagod, eh, no? Ang lalakas pa din, eh.
So we have multiple players in double digits now from both teams. Gonzalez, Navarra, Deyala, Lazarte picks it up. Marasigan on the drop. What a save by Alonia. Batara. Deyala.
Another one from Deyala.
Was that 3 in a row?
Yes.
3 in a row for Nicole.
It's her. Siya yung 3 straight points.
Minnesota University is down by 5.
Gonzalez.
Into the
So
hands.
there's Gonzalez now on the front line.
Pamatay sunog.
May pangbawi agad, eh, no? Kung hindi si Santos yung nasa harap, nandun si Gonzalez. Kung sino yung mga babantayan mo, talagang malilito ka. Good pass.
Navarra to Batara. Gonzalez.
I think that's out.
For Gonzalez.
Konti lang. Good angle sana, pero sumobra lang ng konti.
Bataan.
19-14, San Sebastian still ahead. Sophie Ramos gets that one in. Binuhay pa ni Batara. Balik ang bola sa San Sebastian side. Ramos, that's Sophie. Deyala, she has the hot hand. Marasigan, picked up by Batara. Batara doing a great job as a middle, digging it up from the back row. Hindi mabagsakan ng bola si Kring.
I think that's check ball. There will be a challenge here.
Raising challenge on the goal. They set some units.
Nagamitan na ni Gonzalez ng kamay talaga.
So San Sebastian holding on to this 5-point lead, 19-14. This is the third set. We are tied at 1 set apiece. So it's going to be very crucial what happens here from this point forward. Here we go. Let's investigate.
Yes, there is a block.
Contact on that index finger.
Stacks are 5 points away from winning set number 3. Gina Gonzalez to start the play, 2014.
Navarra. Santos. Navarra to Deyala. Deyala. Santos. Cross court. Deyala will get it back. They've been going to Deyala a lot as of late. Marasigan. Puntos para sa San Sebastian.
A flying Marasigan from the back.
Apat na lang para sa San Sebastian. Can you imagine kung hindi nila nahabol yung first set? Ibang-iba yung laro natin ngayon.
Totoo yan.
They were down by 8.
Mahihirapan talaga silang mag-adjust for sure.
Oh! Nabitin si Sophie.
Good intention, pero medyo late na. Alam niya kasi kung saan pupunta yung bola. Napapikit na lang. Grabe. Best in reaction talaga si Coach. Good receive. Yes.
Running for Sophie.
Yan yung hinahanap talaga ni Coach Roger kanina. Pag may magandang receive, hindi tayo may hirapan mag-play, which is true.
Pumped up si Sophie Ramos. Pinapakita niya na gaya ni KJ, kaya din niya. The KJ and Sophie running attacks. Delivering the goods for San Sebastian. Deyala. Oh, our middle blocker showing that they can dig the ball up as well.
Wow. Santos. Another down the line attack. Pero nakuha naman doon ni Deyala. Medyo tumalsik lang ng konti.
2-point shot from winning set number 3.
Dalawa na lang para sa San Sebastian dito sa set number 3. Navarra.
Oh. That was Ramos again.
16-23.
Santos.
Yes, for
Set
Santos.
point. San Sebastian looking to take the driver's seat. Santos soars and scores like her team needs her.
For the set is JM Banahaja, 24-16.
Navarra. Ramos picked up by Diala from the back as there were blockers there waiting. Down the line hit is good.
That's a good spot right there by Yonko. Kasi kanina pa siya naaabangan sa cross court. But this time she tried.
Wow. What a play. Nobody was ready. The middles. They did the damage here in set number 3. Sophie Ramos and KJ Janicio. Now, San Sebastian could be one set away from the quarterfinals against Letran.